A homecoming tonight in New Jersey for a journalist who was detained in Nigeria for nearly 5 years. This is a story we've covered since he was first arrested. And tonight he spoke only to CBS 2's Derek Waller about how he thought he was going to die behind bars.
How does it feel to be home?
I can't even describe it because I never thought I would make it back here.
Nigerian-American journalist Sowore, arrested on charges of treason in 2019, set free on bond, only to be kidnapped in that same courtroom. Tonight, reunited with his wife and 2 children in the Bergen County borough of Haworth, in front of this standing room-only crowd. Why is the Nigerian government so afraid of you?
I think my biggest offense is establishing a media company that exposes corruption, because corruption is Nigeria's biggest problem.
The founder of SaharoReporters.com brought home with help from Congressman Josh Gottheimer.
Can't wait to you to come home and so we can have a slice of pizza, because I know that's what I would miss most if I were away. So we got you a pie. I promised you a pie.
His office putting pressure on Nigerian officials and the U.S. State Department, helping with Sowore's green card.
After you travel for a year without coming here, you lose it. So it wouldn't have been easy had he not been involved.
His wife, Opiyami, also instrumental, appearing on CBS 2 multiple times over the years and organizing this yellow ribbon campaign, one for each day her husband was wrongfully detained.
Yele, we love you. We're so happy that you're home safely. We're going to do a bonfire tonight and take your passport.
Are you going to burn that passport?
Well, my wife might burn the passport, but you can't burn the will to make Nigeria become a democratic, a successful and prosperous society. So,
will you ever go back?
I will. There's no going back on making Nigeria a better country.
And sadly, the number of journalists around the world being wrongfully detained is on the rise. With authoritarian regimes in places like Russia, Iran, China, Turkey, cracking down on something that, frankly, many Americans take for granted: freedom of an independent press. In Haworth, New Jersey, Derek Waller, CBS 2 News.
I really appreciate the courage, the fighting spirit, and integrity of Moyole Sowore, and I'm happy that he has gone back to America to reunite with his family. He said his wife wants to burn his passport. I think every wife would want that to happen. So, but I believe, according to him, he still have the fighting spirit and want to continue the quest for a new Nigeria through his revolutionary, quest or demand. Now, what I want to say is, you see, so many things has happened like this in Nigeria, and it's not giving Nigeria a good name. However, Nigeria don't have a good name to maintain. When you are holding Nigerian passport, it will become another thing. Nigeria don't have even that good name to maintain. But keep on, denting the image of Nigeria because you are a president, because you are a leader in Nigeria, or you are a DSS. It is very, very bad. Because most of these people, they don't have anything to lose. It is the poor masses that will suffer what the government is actually doing. So I really thank God that Sowore has reunited with his family.